Welcome to another video in Travel Small, Live Big's Campground Favorite Series, and welcome to Mistletoe State Park on Clarks Hill Lake, about 35 miles northwest of Augusta, Georgia. Clarks Hill Lake is set along the border of Georgia and South Carolina and is 72,000 acres. We were told by the camp hosts and rangers that there are no alligators here, so we did let Sierra in to splash and bite at the water. The campground offers 93 tent or RV sites with water and power, as well as 4 walk-in sites. Many of the sites are waterfront, and some are huge. Sites 49 and 73 might have been our favorites. The campground offers garbage service, a dump station, restrooms with showers, and laundry facilities. Along with kayaking, boating, and fishing, hiking is popular here as the park has 15 miles of trails. In addition to the main campground, there are 3 backcountry sites accessible from the Rock Dam hiking trail, a group camp, and 10 two-bedroom cottages. In the spring of 2023, we averaged about $30 a night. We started out in site number 55 and then moved to a beautiful waterfront site, number 73. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and remember to leave us a comment so we know you were here. As always, thanks for watching.